When you hear dash cam, you probably think security, insurance claims, or capturing what happens in a traffic accident. But the WOLFBOX G900 TRIPRO can be a whole lot more useful than that. When you take it off the pavement, whether you're exploring a trail or headed to a campsite, or if you're discovering a new back road, the camera can capture the journey from a perspective that's already mounted and ready to go. I have my WOLFBOX camera hardwired in. It's a pretty simple installation. You can also just use the provided 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter. It's just a few simple wires, and then you have a fuse adapter, and then you just plug it in and you're good to go. Here you've got to look at all three screens. This is the back view. I use the footage of it whenever I have a friend or someone else following behind me through the trails. And this is the front view. This is the bumper cam. I use it the most because it's the lowest and it gets cool footage going through mud and water. And this is the cam that's actually on the rear view mirror, and I use it the least because you can see the mirror base up in it, but this one would probably be the one most people would use for an accident or something like that. One of the main things I like about the WOLFBOX camera system is I don't have to get out and stick my GoPro on the bumper and then worry about it getting knocked off, or me forgetting about it and leaving it on there. Back here we have the rear camera. I have it mounted here on the bed rack. It's really nice to have. The last rack I had was a half rack and it covered the entire rear glass. You couldn't see out at all. So having the camera back here really helps out, especially. The back camera is great for when you have people following you. Here's where I have the bumper cam mounted. You can angle it down to when you're going over a steep obstacle. It will show you what's up ahead when you can't see anything but just sky. The front bumper camera is probably my favorite because we go through a lot of water and a lot of mud, and it captures some awesome footage where you don't have to worry about your cell phone getting wet or muddy. So if you're in the market for a dash cam, this unit will do way more than you need. It has awesome video. It also records sound. But if you're into outdoor content creation, this is a great addition. Check out WOLFBOX and all their different units.